Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering proof and a trusted device so you can respond to verification prompts quickly. Once you have your username, phone, and any backup codes, open the provider's account recovery page and choose the Forgot Password flow. You will be prompted to enter the account identifier and then pick a verification method. Choose the option you can access right now. If a trusted device is suggested, approve the prompt there to move to the next step without delays. You now follow the provider's verification screens, choosing the most reliable option such as an alternate email or SMS code. If codes aren't available, use security questions or an authenticator app. Answer clearly and consistently with how you set them. Some providers accept an ID upload. Make sure the photo is clear and matches the requested format, then submit. Once verification is accepted, you'll be allowed to create a new password and regain access. You finish by setting a strong new password and immediately updating recovery options. Add an alternate email, a verified phone number, and enable two-factor authentication for ongoing protection. Once done, sign out other devices and check recent account activity to ensure no unauthorized changes occurred. If you cannot complete recovery because you lack access to recovery channels, contact provider support. Provide a photo ID, account creation details, and recent activity timestamps. This accelerates review.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.